It was very beautiful of children to come and receive me in this beautiful manner. It can take you back to the days of Krishna, when in his childhood he was very much respected by his friends, and they tried to do all the honor that was possible.
C'était très joli.
You know the story of his birth. Also you know the story. I think if you stop the water, then otherwise my speech might be little bit. You know the story of his birth. And here we have the flowing of water both the sides. The way he used to play his flute along the Jamna river. The whole thing looks sometimes so human, but it is not. And at the right time, whenever he needed, as a child, he manifested his powers. That he killed a woman who was a devil. Ultimately he killed Kamsa. After that, you know that he preached Gita. But it's not so fast as that. After killing Kamsa, he went down to Dwarika to rule there. And there he had to marry 5 more wives. First he had 16,000 wives. So the many people can ask a question, Mother, what sort of a husband he must be? These 16,000 should explain that he has 16 petals. On his domain of Vishuddhi Chakra. And these 16 petals multiplied by the 1,000 petals of the Sahasrara become 16,000. So these are 16,000 powers which are available to us also. These 16,000 powers are working in the brain. These powers could not come as Sahaja-yogis, so they came as women who were entrapped by a king, exactly 16,000. And he married them, because by marriage it was all very dharmic. Also he married 5 wives later who represented the 5 elements. Incarnation cannot be understood from human angle. Can never be understood, I should say. Because their ways and methods are different. They have ways and methods of their own, but they do not expose them to other people, not that they are afraid to expose or they don't want to expose, but it will not be intelligible. It cannot be understood by human beings. If you ask me a question, say, Mother, how do you manage that? I may just change the topic very cleverly. So now I am going to tell you about 16,000 petals of the Sahasrara. So now to understand the 16,000 powers that you have got in your brain already manifesting. As soon as you get your realization, those 16,000 powers start manifesting. Every petal of Sahasrara has got 16 powers, and these are, the petals are made of the 5 elements. So these 5 elements who create these 1000 petals have got 16 powers on every petal. Now the 5 elements is the right side, which is the content, or we can say the matter of the brain. The matter of the brain is created in such a manner that it has a protective matter also. So we have grey matter and also the white matter which is outside to protect the grey matter. These 16 powers which are expressed in every petal coming from the left side. Sri Krishna is an incarnation of the left side. 16 powers which are coming from the left side adorn the petals which are made of 5 elements. These powers already exist in the brain. These 5 plus 16 powers, we do all our nervous system work. For example, if you have to lift your hand like this, then it is worked first of all through the left side, which desires that it should be lifted. Then is ordered to the 5 powers or 5 elements, they go into the action. So we have in our system a special type of arrangement where there is a reflex action which is built earlier in our evolution. In a human consciousness, whatever works is not a reflex action. Now when you are Sahasrara is enlightened with the Kundalini, all these 1000 powers multiply it into 16,000. All the nerves in the body get enlightenment. Your attention becomes enlightened. These 1000 dimensions, you become collectively conscious. And say like this, if there are 16 people staying in 5 houses, they are working separately and sometimes coordinating. But a flood comes in. Flood. As a result of the flood, all these houses are brought together and get enveloped into the energy of that flood. Then they join hands together. They forget their houses and they start using now a new energy of collective consciousness. This is exactly what has happened in you. That as soon as the Kundalini has risen within you and given you realization, the flood has brought these dormant energies in you into play. You don't have to think that you have to hold each other's hand when there's a flood. You just hold it automatically, spontaneously. So all the energies suddenly start getting into motion. So this power, where the 1000 energies of the brain suddenly awakened, is the power called as Viratangana. That is, she is the power of the Virat. She is the power which makes Sri Krishna a Virat. So the 16,000 powers which he achieves in your being is done through the power of Viratangana. And at this modern times, you know who is that. So the Adishakti takes the form of Viratangana. With that enlightenment, you achieve your realization. So the Kundalini passing through different centers, enlightening the different energies, ultimately comes to the brain and enlightens the Viratangana power. At this point, at the brain point, the Kundalini starts spreading in the head. She of course shoots off from the Sahasrara, but also she trickles down through this plate of the brain downwards on the sympathetic. That relaxes you. That's why you feel relaxed. It relaxes the sympathetic. That enlarges the centers. It brings it back to its normal positions. The enlargement of the parasympathetic or Sushumna makes the Kundalini rise in more quantum. It is all done by a reflex action of Kundalini. So the Kundalini is already built in such a manner that when she rises, she automatically does all these things. So your Kundalini has got the power to enlighten all your centers and to enlighten your brain and to relax you, to increase the size of the centers and make the Kundalini rise again. But the Kundalini has a very special power, that every human being's Kundalini knows me. Many people who have just seen my photograph have got their Kundalini awakened. But if your centers are very clouded or exhausted or jammed together or separated away from each other, then the Kundalini stops there. That's why some people get realization very fast and some take time.